What if I told you one of these doorbells can stop burglars before they strike? Bell Police Car Light. Today, we tested hundreds of video doorbells to bring you the top 5 of 2025, and number 3 has a secret feature even the FBI uses. Stick around because your current doorbell is obsolete. All purchase links are below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 1. Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell. The Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell is quite comprehensive, not just in terms of performance, but in terms of features. More importantly, you don't need a subscription to make use of it. Take the dual camera, for example. Together, the Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell gives you a wide viewing angle, from head to toe. Not only is that handy for getting a full profile of visitors, but any packages left on the ground are also in sharp 2K resolution. Additionally, the Philips 7000 Series Video Doorbell doubles as a security system, thanks to its detection precision. What's particularly great is that you can customize zones, and when said zones are tripped by motion or tampering with the video doorbell, you'll be notified. Number 2. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell isn't just a great deal, it's one you can fine-tune to work on an even tighter budget. While it does require a subscription to get the most out of the doorbell, the barrier to entry is small in comparison. For starters, the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell is available in wired and wireless models, with the wired model being nearly half the cost of the wireless model. Additionally, there's an HD model and a 2K model, the latter being a feature of the second generation. And yet, even if you go with the most affordable option, you get two-way audio, head-to-toe FOV, color night vision, motion detection, emergency response, video history, and the ability to create activity zones. Number 3. Eufy S330 Video Doorbell. While the Eufy S330 Video Doorbell has a higher upfront cost, that's all you need to pay to access its features subscription-free. The setup is pretty extensive, too, especially with the added Homebase 2, which acts as a hub and storage for the S330. Together, the dual cameras offer 2K resolution, with one providing the top half of the video and the second camera pointing lower. That gives you a head-to-toe view, just in case you're looking out for any packages, too. More importantly, if you need to speak with your visitors, there's two-way audio. What's most impressive are the motion detectors, going as far as to use heat and radar to detect visitors. This helps to create a better alert system, whether in the form of unknown visitors or a package outside. Number 4. Ring Doorbell Plus. If Alexa helps run your home, the Ring Doorbell Plus is hands down the ideal option. When paired with Alexa, it'll provide live input and blend seamlessly with Alexa's smart home ecosystem. For instance, whenever the Ring Doorbell Plus detects alert-worthy motions, you'll get real-time notifications, and Alexa will also chime in when you're home. And if you have an Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet, you can quickly switch to live feed and start a conversation with a simple vocal command. Even without Alexa, the Ring Doorbell Plus is brimming with neat features, including a 150 by 150 degree FOV and color night vision. Privacy zones are a welcomed addition, too, preventing unnecessary recordings and filling up your storage too quickly. Number 5. Google Nest Doorbell. The most obvious pairing choice with Google Home is the Google Nest Doorbell, which offers smooth and simple integration. More importantly, the Google Nest Doorbell is particularly good at giving you a heads-up on the who and when of visitors at the door, unwanted or otherwise. Take the Google Nest Doorbell's preview feature, which creates 2-second and 5-minute clips of important events. It's quite good at distinguishing between animals, vehicles, and people. If you have a Nest-aware subscription, the video doorbell can save familiar faces. Best of all, the Google Nest Doorbell lets you know when people show up, sending alerts and notifications to compatible devices. You can even see live feeds and speak with visitors via two-way audio. So, which doorbell are you upgrading to? Let me know in the comments. If this saved you from a bad purchase, smash that like button, share with a neighbor, and subscribe for more life-saving tech reviews. All the best deals are in the description, check them out before prices go up. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.